Let's see how to write program using MPLAB software of Peak microcontroller. Just I'm taking here example to digit displays from 0 to 9 on 7 segment of common cathode mode. Just here it is the window for this project. Then go to file menu, select new project. Then here you may get your new project window. From that, choose categories of microchip embedded. Then go on project, click on standalone project, click on next. Select the family as advanced 8-bit PIC microcontroller PIC 18. Then I'm selecting your controller as PIC 18A4520. You may choose your option from these many PIC microcontrollers. Click on next. Then I'm selecting your hardware tool as PIC kit 2. Then click on next. I am selecting your compiler as XE8 version 1.3. Then I'm giving a project name as display. Then click on finish. Then here you see here our project is created and its header files, important files, linker files, source files, libraries and loadables. Here you right click on header files to create your header file. See header file, display name, extension is .h, finish. Then here you see user or software create its own header file, but just we don't want this, so cut this and go to window option. From that you select PIC memory views, select configuration bits. Here you may see your configuration bit for your project or for your program. From this I don't want this watchdog timer, so I am disabling it. Click on generate source code to output. This will create your source code for your program. Then select this all, copy this generated source code to our main C header file program code. Okay, now this is creating your header file or user created header file. I just including here or defining here my crystal value which is required for PIC 18A4520. In this way, hash define XTAL FREQ 8 megahertz is the value I required. 8 megahertz 1 2 3. Okay, fine. This is your header file. Then just save this header file. Then go to a project. Then right click on source, go to new, C main file. Then again give your project name, extension is C, finish. Then this will give you or this software will give you program structure. Here it is giving the header files above. You just include your header file or your created header file here. Hash include in double inverted comma display 0 to 9.h. Okay, then we will write our program in main file in this way. Trace b equal to 0 into 0 0. I am putting port B as output port by assigning value 0 to it. Then I want infinite loop for displaying the digits, so infinite while loop under bracket latch b equal to 0 cross 7 e. Here it's 7 latch b means b port is displaying the output, so or port b is connected to 7 segment display, so latch is for displaying the output, and the 7e code is created uh, by 7 segment display putting values for common cathode mode. Okay, then we will give the delay for displaying 0. We will write it in for loop, so that for integer I equal to 0 comma I less than 20 comma or semicolon I plus plus. Double underscore delay underscore millisecond delay of 50. Okay, now this is created. Now these two lines will display 0 on 7 segment display in common cathode mode for 50 milliseconds of delay. Then just like 0, we will write the code for 1 2 3 4 up to 9. Just paste it, then just edit the value for displaying 0. So if 30 is the value for writing or displaying 1. Okay, just one more press, then 6D is the value to display 2. Seven 9 for 3. 3 3 for 4. 5B to display 5. 5F to display 6. 70 to display 7. 7F for displaying 8, and last 7B to display 9. This is the program to write or to display 0 to 9 on common cathode mode 7 segment display. Save the program, then just we will check the if any errors are there in program. So build option, click on build option. Here you get the build successful. In this way you write your program to display 0 to 9 on 7 segment display in common cathode